For exercise 1, identification of addressing modes. So sa number 1, yung given is move AX, BX. So dito, since register to register yung ginamit, which is yung AX and yung BX, so yung addressing mode natin dito is register addressing mode. So sa number 2 naman, yung given is move AX, bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, H. So dito naman yung nasa loob ng bracket natin, which is yung 1, 2, 3, 4, H, yun yung memory access. And since fix yung address na nandun, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, H, so yung addressing mode natin dito is direct addressing mode. Sa number 3 naman, move AL, bracket SI. So yung SI, yung ibig sabihin nun is yung register na doon is pointer memory yon. So kapag yung register natin is nagpo-point ng memory, yung addressing mode natin doon is register indirect addressing mode. Sa number 4 naman, move bracket BP plus DI, AX. So dito naman combination siya ng base register, which is yung BP, and yung index register, which is yung DI. So dito ang addressing mode natin is base index addressing mode. Sa number 5 naman, move CX, bracket BX plus SI plus 08H. So dito meron tayong base register, which is yung BX. Meron din tayong index register, which is yung SI, plus yung constant offset natin, which is yung 08H. So from that, ang addressing mode natin dito is base index with displacement. Sa number 6 naman, move bracket DI, AX. So yung DI, siya yung memory address natin galing sa DI register. Same siya sa SI natin. So yung addressing mode natin dito is register indirect addressing mode. Number 7 naman, move AX, bracket BP minus 10H. So yung base register natin is yung BP. And yung offset natin dito is yung 10H. So yung addressing mode natin dito is base with displacement. Number 8 naman, move AX, 5678H. So dito yung constant value natin is yung 5678H, and directly siya nilagay sa register natin na AX. So yung addressing mode natin dito is immediate addressing mode. Sa number 9 naman, move AX, bracket BX. So yung kagaya dun sa mga nauna, yung BX natin dito, siya yung register na nagpo-point sa memory. So based sa rule, yung addressing mode natin dito is register indirect addressing mode. So for exercise number 2, write code for specific addressing modes. So sa number 1, yung binigay na addressing mode dito is immediate addressing mode. And yung given na instruction is store the value 0x55AA into the AX register. So dito is may binigay na constant value, which is 0x55AA or 55AAH, and i-store lang natin siya directly sa register natin na AX. So yung magiging sagot natin is move AX, 55AAH. So sa number 2, yung addressing mode na binigay is register addressing mode. And yung given is copy the contents of BX into AX. So dito naman is, since register addressing mode siya, meron tayong dito is register to register siya. So magiging sagot natin dito is move AX, BX. Since yung nauna yung AX, kasi doon natin ilalagay yung laman nung register natin na BX. So number 3 naman, direct addressing mode, and yung given is move the value stored at memory location 1, 2, 3, 4H into AX. So sa number 3 naman, which is direct, since direct addressing mode siya, and meron tayong fixed memory address, which is yung 1, 2, 3, 4H, and ilalagay lang naman natin siya sa register natin na AX. So yung magiging sagot natin is move AX, bracket 1, 2, 3, 4H. So number 4, register indirect addressing mode. And yung given is access the memory location pointed to by SI and store its value in AX. So dito meron tayong ginamit na index na pointer register, which is yung SI. And yung content niya is i-store lang natin sa value ng AX register. So yung maging sagot natin is move AX, bracket SI. And number 5, index addressing mode. And you given is retrieve a value from the memory address pointed by the sum of DI and a displacement of 10H and store it in AL register. So dito naman is meron tayong base register, which is yung DI natin, and meron din tayong displacement na 10H. So ang magiging sagot natin dito is move AL, bracket DI plus 10H. Sa number 6 naman, yung binigay na addressing mode is base index addressing mode. And yung given is access memory using the sum of BX and SI and move the value into AX. So dito, meron tayong base register and index register. Tapos yung register kung saan natin sila i-store is AX. So yung maging sagot natin is move AX, bracket BX plus SI. Exercise number 3, address calculation. So meron tayong given dito for the base address, meron tayong 1000 each. For the segment address, 2000 each, and displacement of 0010 each or simply 10 each. So for number 1, compute the physical address for the instruction move AX, bracket 1000 each in direct addressing mode. So yung gagamitin natin dito is segment times displacement plus offset. So ipapalit lang natin yung mga value. So 2000H, which is yung segment, times the displacement, which is 10H, plus the offset, which is 1000H. So yung una is 2000H times 10H equals 20,000H. Then i-add natin siya sa offset natin, which is 1000H. Kaya yung physical address natin dito is 21,000H. So for the number 2 naman, compute the physical address for move AX, bracket BX plus SI plus 10H. Given the value of BX is 1234H and the SI is 4321H. So yung una, kinuha muna natin yung value ng offset using the formula BX plus SI plus 10H. So sinubstitute lang natin yung value ng BX and SI. So 1234H plus 4321H plus 10H. So yung offset natin is 5565H. Then para makuha yung physical address, i-add lang natin yung segment address, which is 20,000H plus the offset, which is 5565H. So yung physical address natin dito is 25565H. For exercise number 4, debug and analyze. So sabi dito, analyze the following code snippet and answer the questions. So yung given code snippet natin is move AX, bracket SI. Next is move SI, 2000H. Next, add AX, bracket SI plus 10H. And last is move bracket DI, AX. So sa number 1 is i-identify lang natin yung addressing modes na ginamit sa bawat instruction. So yung una, move AX, bracket SI. So dito, yung addressing mode natin dito is register indirect addressing mode. Then sa sunod naman, which is move SI, 2000H. So yung addressing mode natin dito is immediate addressing mode. Sa pangatlo naman, add AX, SI, bracket SI plus 10H. So dito, index addressing with displacement yung mode natin. Since para sa last naman, move bracket DI, AX. So yung addressing mode natin dito is register indirect addressing mode. So sa number 2 naman, if the value at memory location 2000H is 1234H and at 2000H plus 10H is 5678H, what will be the final value of AX? So una, i-assume lang natin na yung value ng AX is same sa value nung old SI, which is 1234H. Then yung updated naman na SI natin is 2000H. So ang gagawin lang natin, i-add natin yung 2000H plus 10H equals 567H. Then para makuha yung final value ng AX, ang gagawin lang natin is i-add natin yung 1, 2, 3, 4H plus 5, 6, 7H. So, yung magiging final value ng AX natin dito is 68 ACH. So, for exercise number 5, practical problem, sabi dito, write a small assembly program that 1 loads the value 0xabcd into the memory location 3000H. For the number 2, retrieves this value using direct addressing mode and store it in AX. 3, copy the value from AX to BX using register addressing mode. And last, stores the value in BX at the memory location pointed to by DI using register indirect addressing mode, assuming that the DI is 4000H. So, yung naging sagot natin dito is, para dun sa una, so, load the value of 0xabcd to the memory location 3000H. So, yung sagot natin is move bracket 3000H, abcdh. So, next is para naman dun sa retrieving the value using direct addressing mode. So, yung naging sagot natin dyan is move ax, bracket 3000H. Next naman is move bx, ax. Para dun sa pag-copy ng value ng ax papunta dun sa register bx. So, next is move di, 4000H. And yung last natin is move bracket di, bx.